Cool. So let's now move on to one of the most important steps and one of the most important tools of Tubebuddy, which is the Keyword Explorer. The Keyword Explorer is a tool that we can use to find topics that are trending and also find video keywords that people are actually searching for, so that we have a high chance of actually getting views on our videos. If we don't do keyword research, then we're basically shooting in the dark and we don't really have a strategy, and we're basically hoping to get views, and we're probably going to waste a lot of our time. So definitely I would recommend everybody to do keyword research before even deciding on making a video about a specific topic. And the Keyword Explorer right here is a perfect tool to find out what keywords and what topics it's worth to make a video about. So to launch the Keyword Explorer, we either click right here or we go to Extension Tools on the right side and click on Keyword Explorer right here. So here on the first page of the Keyword Explorer, we have the what's trending right now. So we can decide on what country you are making videos for example, United States. Currently, these topics are trending. And if you have a channel that's getting a lot of views or that wants to get a lot of views from suggested videos, the homepage and stuff, then going for trending videos is a good idea, because these are trending videos, and these are topics that YouTube pushes content for. So if you create videos about these topics right here, then there's a good chance of YouTube wanting to promote your video because people are interested in these topics right here. Personally, the strategy that I have and the channels that I have, I don't really go for these topics. What I want to do is create videos for specific keywords that people are searching for pretty much all the time. So what I'm using is this tool right here, where I can type in a keyword about a topic that I want to make a video about, and then I'm looking for the perfect keyword that I have a high chance of ranking for in the search algorithm, so I can get views. So I can get a lot of views over a long period of time. So for example, for this video, I would type in Tubebuddy because I'm making a video about Tubebuddy. And as you can see, there's the autocomplete function that is also available on the YouTube search bar, where viewers can type in a keyword right here, and then the autocomplete will show what people are actually searching for the most, including this keyword. And this really helps me to decide on what I'm going to title my video and what is the topic that I'm going to make a video about. Because if YouTube shows me that people are actually searching for Tubebuddy tutorial, then it's a good idea to make a video about this topic, because I know people are interested in this specific topic. So when you type in Tubebuddy, the first keyword that comes up is Tubebuddy tutorial. So that's what I'm going to do here. I'm doing a Tubebuddy tutorial. So let's actually further check out this specific keyword right here. Let's click on Tubebuddy tutorial, click on Explore, and this will open up this new tab. So under the summary tab, you have the score. So the score basically tells you if it's a good idea or if it's a bad idea to make a video using this specific keyword. So if you have the paid version of Tubebuddy, you also get the weighted score right here, which just takes in consideration your YouTube channel. So if you go to unweighted right here, this is just a general guide on how competitive this keyword is, or if it's a good idea to make to make a video about this keyword. And it's basically taking in consideration 3 different factors. The first one is search volume, which means that how many people are actually searching this keyword. Then competition, how many videos are actually out there already about the specific keyword. And then optimization strength, so the videos that are already out there, how well are they optimized for your keyword? So do they have this keyword in the title, in the description? What are the tags of these videos? So it's taking all this data in consideration, and then it's going to give you a recommendation of what you should do. Should you make a video or not? So if it's in the green, it's probably a good idea to make a video about this topic. If it's in the red, it's probably a bad idea. And then when you go to weighted, it's taking in consideration my YouTube channel views, my subscribers, and so on. So in general, I have a little bit of I have a better chance of ranking for this keyword than the average YouTube channel, because my weighted results is a bit higher than the unweighted results. However, fair is not really it's not really motivating me now to make this video, because it's just telling me maybe it's not that of a good idea to make a video about this specific keyword. However, it doesn't mean that I shouldn't make a Tubebuddy tutorial. For example, when I see what other keywords come up here, I can see that people are also searching for Tubebuddy tutorial 2021. So let's check out this specific keyword. And now, as I can see, all of a sudden, this score goes to excellent. So Tubebuddy is actually telling me this is a good keyword to go for. And then once I actually rank for Tubebuddy tutorial 2021 and people are watching my video, YouTube is gathering data from my video. And then if I have actually a good video, then and the YouTube algorithm notices that, then it will also rank my video for this keyword, Tubebuddy tutorial, which is a higher competition keyword, but I have a chance of actually ranking for it. So I would go for like long tail keywords that are actually in the green right here, but also have like higher competition keywords in the front right here, where you get more traffic on your video, so more views eventually. And also here on the right side, so let's go back to Tubebuddy tutorial, it's also giving you ideas right here. So related searches, you can get ideas for other video topics or kind of long tail keywords that you can go for. And you can also go to the results tab right here, where you can see the currently highest ranked videos for this specific keyword right here. So you can see how you can maybe stand out with your thumbnail, maybe stand out with your title, or kind of what's working currently in the YouTube search algorithm. You can also see the channel that has the most videos ranked with this specific keyword, which is obviously the Tubebuddy channel itself. So this is also a nice overview here, where you can see maybe how you can stand out with your topic idea. So once you have your keyword right here, so the goal of using this Keyword Explorer is to have a main keyword that you can then put in the title of your video so that you can get views from the search algorithm.